Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 headphones and we'll discover if they are compatible with Android. So at first we have to scroll down to control panel on our phone and then go to Bluetooth. Now we have to prepare new device. And now I have to open the case and check if they are compatible. Now we have to wait. As you can see, these headphones are compatible with our Android phone, but they don't have any features. You can just listen to music or speak with someone. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.